Hey there, did you know that fasting could be your ultimate health hack? Yeah, that's right. Today, I'm going to explore why fasting is such a universal health tool and dig into both the science and the Sunnah behind it. First, let's dive into intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is all about cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It's a powerful tool for boosting your metabolism. When you fast, your body starts burning fat for energy, which can lead to weight loss and improved metabolic health. Plus, it can help detox your body by giving your digestive system a much-needed break. But that's not all. Fasting has been shown to improve brain function. It increases the production of a protein called BDNF, which supports brain health and cognitive function. Imagine feeling more focused and sharp just by skipping a few meals. Now let's switch gears and talk about Islamic fasting, or fasting during Ramadan. This isn't just about refraining from food and drink from dawn to sunset, it's also a spiritual journey. Fasting during Ramadan is meant to teach self-discipline, increase empathy for the less fortunate, and deepen one's faith. Interestingly, the health benefits of Islamic fasting align closely with those of intermittent fasting. During the fasting hours, your body undergoes similar metabolic changes. It starts to burn fat for fuel and detoxifies itself. Plus, the mental and spiritual focus during Ramadan can lead to lower stress levels. It's like hitting the reset button for your mind and body. What's truly fascinating is how these ancient practices are now backed by modern science. Studies have shown that fasting can reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even extend your lifespan. It's like nature's way of healing and rejuvenating our bodies. So whether you're considering intermittent fasting to boost your health, or observing Islamic fasting for spiritual and physical benefits, you're tapping into a powerful practice with a rich history and a bright future. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. And take it one step at a time. Your body and mind will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health hacks and insights. Catch you in the next one.